In the vast realms of nature's wonders, there exists an extraordinary ingredient that has taken the health world by storm. Introducing organic spirulina, the powerhouse of nutrition and vitality. With a history that spans centuries, organic spirulina was treasured by the Mayans and Aztecs for its remarkable nutritional properties. Today, this blue-green microalgae continues to captivate health enthusiasts worldwide. So, what makes organic spirulina so special? Its nutrient profile tells the fascinating tale. Providing all 9 essential amino acids, this superfood is an excellent plant-based protein source. But that's not all. Organic spirulina is also a powerhouse of essential vitamins like B-complex, minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, and potent antioxidants like phycocyanin. It's a nutrient-packed bundle of goodness. When it comes to detoxification, organic spirulina shines. It helps the body eliminate toxins and heavy metals, supporting a healthy immune system. Plus, studies suggest it may aid in lowering cholesterol, regulating blood sugar, and promoting healthy weight management. Beyond its health benefits, organic spirulina offers a sustainable solution. It requires significantly less land and water resources compared to traditional farming, making it an eco-friendly choice that tackles food scarcity and reduces our carbon footprint. Incorporating organic spirulina into your diet is as effortless as can be. Add it to your smoothies, juices, or even baked goods for a boost of nutrition. Just remember to choose an organic spirulina sourced from trusted providers for quality and purity. So embark on a journey towards better well-being with organic spirulina, nature's superfood revealed. Embrace the marvels of this ancient treasure and unlock the power of spirulina today.